In this tutorial, we're going to look at prepared statement. That is actually interface you can enable to create a parameterized SQL statement. So main idea is you can execute a precompiled SQL statement without parameters. So let's get to the code. So if you look at here, we have a create table. Then if you go down, there are 3 insert statements. Inserting 3 is the SQL statement. Look at the last one. So I'm going to copy paste it. This time I'm going to demonstrate how to use a prepared statement. So main idea is we use a precompiled SQL statement with a parameter. This time we may end up with using 5 parameters. So let's say prepared statement. I will code it as a prepared statement collection. This time we are going to use prepared statement instead of create statement. So idea is here sending parameterized SQL statement to the database. Please try to read the description. So here instead of actual value, let's say number 4, we have 5 columns. We're going to replace with a parameter. Okay, question mark represent one parameter. So 1 here. That's for second column. So then 4s and 5s. We have 5 columns, so we have 5 question marks. Each question marks represent parameter. Here, of course, we need to import prepared statement. So let's look at use setter to set the values for the parameter. So you can guess that we need 5 setters for 5 parameters. That actually referring to 5 different columns in the table. So here, prepared statement. We are going to use a set string. They have all our other different data types. But the first one is employee number E0001, so string type. So number 1 represents the first column, sqlText. We can use E004, actual value. That refers to parameter. So let's say 5 of them. Second one, number 2 refers to second parameter. 4 and 5, okay. So it does not start with the 0, start with number 1. Jenny, I say 26 is a number, we don't need a quotation. So this should be set int. Next one is character. Last one is address. So I will say parameter 1. That refers to first parameter. The last one refers to the fifth parameter. So once we prepare a precompiled SQL statement, we can execute this statement using exec update methods. That's it. Okay, that's going to insert 3 in statement using exec update, and then the fourth one we're going to use a prepaid statement. So let me connect to database. Let's have a look. There are somehow 1 to 4 of them. Okay, so number 3 is missing. That's okay. So let me continue. I will fix that problem later on. So let me demonstrate next one. That was an insert. We can actually use with update and delete as well. So this time I'm moving into update SQL statement. So let me make a comment. Okay, I will copy paste it. So I'm going to insert parameter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with question mark. One question mark. Again, we replace with a question mark, or we can say parameter, one more parameter. That's it. Again, there's one more. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 of them. So we need the prepaid statement. So let me create a prepaid statement. I already declared, so let me just use the object name. So we are going to use setter for the parameter. So let me just copy paste the comment. and everything will be exactly same. Prepared statement. First one is set string. Number one. First one should be number. One to six of them. Sorry, 1 to 5 of them. Second one is age. Here, age has to be int. Okay. Third one is gender. That's a bit tricky. Okay. Here is incomparable type. Okay, there's a string, but there's no such a thing called set character. So we use string value of gender. So we do type conversion. We change to string value from character value. Next one will be address. Then number. I think the person should be name. Seems okay, that's all. Here should be prepared statement. exe update. Precompiled SQL statement is already there, so we don't have to pass anything. And seems okay. So originally we have Andrew. We are going to change to John. Everything else remains same. So instead of Andrew, we change to John. Everything else same. Okay. So prepared statement for update SQL statement that actually work. Let me continue with here delete statement. So I try to make a minor change here using prepared statement interface. Straightforward. Okay, here we will say maybe number 2. Here we need to insert parameter. Again, connection prepared statement with the sqlText. Then we can use set methods. This case set string. Number 1 and happen to be num. That's correct. So that refers to first parameter. There is only one parameter and all. Prepared statement. Actual parameter, we don't need that, so remove it. That's it for delete prepared statement. So it's going to remove second record and then third record as well. So record number 2 and 3 disappear. Okay, we remove that. Okay, one with prepared statement, one with just normal statement. Let's continue. Look at another one. Select statement. This time I may need to make a minor change. So let's say select everything from employee. I need to introduce parameter, so I will say where condition. So let's say everyone is over 20 years old, so we have more than one record. So let me quickly saying that where employees over 20 years old, so that we can send the parameter over 20. So question mark. Then instead of statement, I will change to prepared statement. Just in case, let me just put the comment. So prepared statement here and equal to connection, prepared statement. Again, same story, we will say sqlText. We need a value 20, so age equal to 20. Then we can send the parameter using set methods. So set int number 1, only one parameter, so number 1 tester 1 age. Prepared statement, we don't need a parameter inside, so remove it. Again, there's a strange, okay, explicit type with bar, okay, already declared result set. So let me make a comment. Okay, comment it up. I declare twice. Okay, everything is same in while loop. It's exactly same, no changes. So here, again, it works as it is. We see two records, employee 1 and 4. Let me have a look quickly whether there's any mistake or not. Seems okay. Seems okay. Where update? Maybe I will copy that statement here. Add one comments. Update statement. Seems okay. Delete. Seems okay. Select statement. Again, just missing one comment. Other than that, seems okay. That's all. Thank you.